In Kershaw County, South Carolina, the National Weather Service confirmed a tornado hit North Central High School. Crews on the scene reported it was an F2 tornado with 130 miles per hour wind speeds. The sheriff's office posted pictures of the damage showing school buses smashed into each other and parts of the roof and building ripped away. We always try to see the silver lining, and in my opinion, the silver lining here is that it happened on a Saturday night. No one was here, so there were no injuries and no one lost their life, so buildings can be replaced, facilities can be rebuilt, graduate and former administrator Charles King said. The school said it is working with state and local leaders to assess the damage and make decisions about what to do next, but deputies said the school could be closed for a while. The tornado damaged just about every building on North Central's campus, and officials told Channel 9's Deshaun Brown of a fleet of nearly 30 buses, only 3 can be salvaged. The school's football stadium also took a hit, leaving the bleachers collapsed and metal lights bent in half. I'm devastated because we've got a lot of children and family and stuff. They go to school here. It's sad, it really is, parent Carolyn Lewis said. District leaders said more than 500 students attend the school and they are working out a plan to figure out where the students will finish out the school year, and possibly the following year. Number 1, it's catastrophic, there's no doubt, King said. Some of the structures and buildings aren't salvageable. They will have to be rebuilt. I feel for the students involved because it will probably be a couple of years before they'll be able to set foot back.